Good day everyone. So for today's video, we are going to discuss about rounding numbers. Rounding is an approximation technique that replaces complicated numbers with simpler ones. It is used to facilitate computation. To round numbers, these are the tips you should follow. First is find the place value position where to round. Next is look at the digit to the right of the place value position that we were going to round off, and round up if the digit to the right is 5 or greater, and round down if the digit to the right is less than 5. So these are the examples. A class in history was given an assignment to report on the 1995 populations of the provinces of Calabarzon. Their report shows the following. Calabarzon, the provinces belong to Calabarzon. First is Cavite, and has the population data of 1,152,534. Laguna for 1,370,232. Batangas for 1,476,783. Rizal for 977,448. Quezon for 1,372,455. From the data provided by the students, we were going to round off it to the nearest thousand. So first is Cavite. From 1,152,534, and if we were going to round out this data to nearest thousands, it will be 1,553,000. Since the original data is from the original data 1,152,534, the nearest thousand here is the 152, the 2. So the number right besides the 2 is 5, so it means we were going to round up the 2. So from 2 it will be going to be, or from 2 it will be going, it will be 3. Next is Laguna. From 1,370,232, it will be 1,370,000. Since the nearest thousand from the original data provided by the students is 370,232, the nearest thousand, or the place value to the nearest thousand is 0, then the number besides 0 is 2, so it is lesser than 5, so it means we will going to round down. Next is Batangas. 1,476,783 to 1,477,000. Since the nearest the place value the nearest thousand is from the given the data which is given by the students 1,476,783, the nearest thousand is the value of 6, and the number right beside 6 is 7. It is greater than 5, so we were going to round up. So from 1,476,783 to 1,477,000. Next is Rizal. 977,448 to 977,000. Since the nearest thousand from the given data is 7, and the number right beside 7 is 4, so it is lesser than 5, so we were going to round down. Last is Quezon, with a given data of 1,372,455. Since the nearest thousand, the value of the nearest thousand is 2, and the number right besides 2 is 4, which is lesser than 5, so from 1,372,445 to 1,372,000. So another example with this given number here, 2,156. If we were going to round off to the nearest tens, it will be 2,160. Since the nearest tens, the value to the nearest tens is 5, and the number right besides 5 is 6, so we were going to round up. Second is, if we were going to round off this number to the nearest hundreds, it will be 2,200. Since the number or the place value which is the nearest hundreds is 1, and the number right besides 1 is 5, which is means we're going to round up. Last is, if we were going to round off it to the nearest thousand, it will be 2,000. Since the number or the place value to the nearest thousand is 2, and the number right besides 2 is 1, which is lesser than 5, so it means we will going to round down. That would be all.